Welcome to our video on Instagram Reels. In just 3 minutes, we will be explaining what Instagram Reel is, how it works, and how it can be used to create engaging and visually interesting content. What are the Instagram Reels? Instagram Reel is a feature that allows users to create and share short 15 seconds videos on the platform. These videos can be edited with mic, special effect, and other creative tools, making them a fun and engaging way to share content with your audience. Instagram Reels can be found on the Explore page, on user's profile, or by hashtag locations or accounts. How it works? Let's see. To create an Instagram Reel, you simply open the Instagram camera and swipe the Reel option. From there, you can record your video, edit it with music, special effect, and other creative tools. Then share it on your profile or in the Explore feed. You can also upload pre-recorded video from your camera roll. Benefit of using Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels can be a powerful tool for creating visually interesting and engaging content. The short form format of the video allows users to quickly consume and engage with the content. Additionally, Instagram Reels can be used to increase the reach and engagement of the content. It can also be shared on other platforms such as TikTok, can help to increase the visibility of your brand. Let me give you some tips to create engaging Instagram Reels. When creating Instagram Reels, it is important to focus on creating visually interesting and engaging content. This can achieve by using animation, special effect, and creative transitions to make your videos more interesting to watch. Additionally, storytelling, music, and sound effect can also be used to create an emotional connection with the viewer. Finally, as conclusion, in just a few minutes, we have covered what Instagram Reel is, how it works, and how it can be used to create engaging and visually interesting content. Remember to focus on creating visually interesting and engaging content. See you in the next video. Have a great day.